What's up, babies? In today's video I will be teaching you how to put on a glueless wig. First you will need the wig, the cap, the foundation, preferably melanated. Today, instead of using Gotta Be, I'm gonna be using the olive oil ORS little thingy-majigger, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. This is the olive oil free spray that I will be using to lay down my edges.
Not the banging, the banging. Fuck no.
And look at here, this thing worked good. So because I did not have a ball cap that matched my skin tone, I decided to just put on a regular schmegular one, and I put my foundation on top of it like a real bitch would. Period. After putting on my ball cap, I went ahead and I took my alcohol and wiped off the grease on my forehead. This the wig. The same foundation that I used on my ball cap, I went ahead and already passed it on my wig on the inside. That was me showing y'all my babe. Something that I liked about this wig is because it already looked like it's on my scalp. Like, look at it. Look at the blend, babe. Look at the blend. In order to make this glueless wig work, you need to use mousse. Not just any mousse, babe. Alcohol-free mousse. The reason why you need alcohol-free mousse, because if you don't use alcohol-free mousse, it's going to slip on your head. I decided to put the mousse all over my hair just to stop the flyaways from poking out and stuff like that. I would prefer you to use a wax stick. I just ain't got one.
Real hot girl shit.
See me, I don't got no hot comb, so I gotta use my big curling iron to separating the baby hairs and stuff like that. Which is the same curling iron that burnt my forehead. For this part in particular, I'm gonna let you know right now, baby, it get real messy. Ain't nothing clean about it. I don't know if it's because I'm still a beginner and I don't know what I'm doing, but it get real messy. So just know you're gonna be sliding on your face, it's gonna be all over your cheeks, all of that, but it's worth it. Believe me. Now you need to go ahead and grab your satin banner for your head, and you're gonna just keep it on there. Make sure you get a blow dryer, and keep it on there for like about 20 minutes, just so the baby hairs can mold and stuff like that and stay put, babe. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. There ain't no such thing as too fast for me. Somebody go tell Saundra or Brent Fires, whatever his name is, to go ahead and sign me a record deal right now, because I'm a background dancer for sure. I could sing too, but if you don't want to give it to me, let me dance for you, babe.
Oh my god.
So here goes a big reveal. The reason why I closed my eyes, because bitch, I was scared too. This is my first time, babe. Oh my god. Because I'm so bad with baby hairs, most times I go back and I cut it to make sure, the pieces that are too long are about the same length as the other baby hair that's surrounding the, the edges and stuff like that. So this is just me doing that. What's good in the hood?
Hold on.
What's good on BG Earth, BG Land, BG World? What's up? So this gonna be a real quick video on this hair. First of all, give me editor vibes. Look at this.
Girls, we run this mother. Yeah.
Stop playing with me. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna keep it quick. I'm gonna keep it cute. Best way I can. I don't even got earrings. Oh my gosh, my glueless wig just failed me.
Trash.
It was looking good though. But anyway, so y'all, this is my glueless wig. Honestly, this hair was it was so easy to install. And mind y'all, this is my first glueless. So let me go ahead. I wanted to comb it out for y'all and like, so y'all could see what I went through and like how I did this. Girl, I did the damn thing for rizzles. For rizzle gizzles, I did it. The reason why I'm kind of like talking real fast because I just got a call that we about to play football. And luckily, this is a glueless wig, so I could just pop it right off. I did not endure any difficulties with this hair at all. The only problem that I probably have with this hair that I don't really like is the fact that, oh my gosh, I'm smiling and it's lifting. The only problem I really had with this hair that I didn't really like was the fact that the hair is not, it's not dark. It's like a natural brown, but it's okay. It ain't nothing that you can just dip it into. But this hair is like, look. Y'all, like, other than that, there's nothing else. Like, I've never had a bob that moved like this. Look. Anytime I move, somebody calling me. Anytime I do anything, somebody gonna call me. Like, let somebody call my name. Yes. Like, any little move, I'm not even moving. Look. You see that? This hair is fine. I actually like it. It was like, this is the lace right here. Mind you guys, I already had the hair on yesterday. I installed it yesterday, but today I just put it back on again because, you know, it's a glueless wig, I'm understanding. And then I'm still like a learner, so of course it's not the best, but for me and what I'll be doing, I think I did the damn thing for real. I'm not understanding. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will have a direct link in the description down below. I didn't get cute. I didn't put no lashes on. I don't got no earrings on because I'm about to play football. I'm not understanding. I'm about to break some ankles. I'm about to catch some balls and take it to the end zone. y'all just don't want to see me out there. Stop playing. But other than that, this hair was, I ain't really deal with too much. Look. And it still came back right after I washed it. I bleached and all that, and I over bleached it actually. But it's still, you know, ain't nothing I couldn't fix. So if y'all want this, y'all go ahead and get it. Check the link down in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and play football, okay? I'm gonna catch y'all later. Y'all be safe. I love you. Goodbye. What's up, baby? This is girl BG, and I'm just giving y'all a little update from what happened yesterday because I decided in my video early because I'm gonna play some football. So mind y'all, I had a touchdown, a pick, and I'm good on defense. Can't nobody see me in nothing on defense. But your girl bust her lip.
The fuck is that?
And I look real bad. And you wanna know what makes it worse? I busted my lip on somebody's head. I tried to eat their head. But it's okay though. It's all a part of the game. I ain't tripping. So if y'all enjoyed this video and if y'all wanna see a video of me playing football with the kids, go ahead, comment down below and I'll let y'all know how it goes. Cause I don't mind doing that. I think that'll be fun for y'all to see how I get down and dirty. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. BG out.